Alright guys, Amanda here, and I am taking the Freedare for my first spin, and I'm going to give you guys my first impression of it. So let's get started. So I've got it in pedal assist 1 right now, and from what I understand, this bike has a torque sensor, so as I'm pedaling, the faster I pedal, the faster the motor is going to take me. So that's pretty neat. I also, let's see, I like the screen. The display looks really nice. Let's see, if I pedal assist 2, gotta pedal a little faster. Let's see how fast I can go. Okay, 20 miles an hour. It's not bad. How about pedal assist 3? Let's go. Okay, so I got it up to about 26 in pedal assist 3. And, oh, it only goes up to pedal assist 3. Interesting. Okay, that's a little different. I'm used to going up to pedal assist 5, so the Freedare only has pedal assist 3. Nice. I'm definitely getting a little bit of a workout. So I gotta pedal fast if I want to go fast. Let me try the thumb throttle. Meow. Vroom, 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 vroom. Ugh. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a little bit of resistance when I'm trying to pedal. I don't see any alligators. Yeah, I'll stop here. Put the pedal assist down to 0. Put the kickstand up. All right. So this is not a bad looking bike. I see some similarities compared to my personal bike, the Traxxas Explorer. It definitely has the big tires that I like. These are 26s and they're Kendas, so that's a real nice tire. And they're super duper knobby. You see all those knobs? I bet I could take on any terrain with that. I also noticed that it has hydraulic brakes. I've got the derailleur and the derailleur guard. Always like to see that. Let's see. Oh, the rear hub motor, that is a 750 watt. And the battery is 20 amp, just so you know. One other thing that I noticed that I actually really like, it's not super important, but I think it's cute. I got a little bell. Yeah, buddy. I got a little bell on my handlebars, which I absolutely love because you can't always see which button is the horn. So I got a traditional little bell right there. I love it. All right. Kick it back up to pedal assist 1. Yeah, definitely feeling a lot of resistance in my knees. It's like, holy cow, getting a workout pedaling this thing. So as far as riding the Freedare goes, it's easy to maneuver. It does feel a little heavy, but nothing I can't handle. One of the things I'm noticing that I don't really care for is the down tube is a little long in front of me, so I am stretching a little bit to reach the handlebars, but other than that, it's not bad. I like how quick it takes off too. This booger is fast. I like that the handlebars, by the way, have those palm rests. It just makes it so much more comfortable to grab and grip the handlebars. So I love that. So here I am hitting up Red Rooster. I am going to bump this up to pedal assist 3, and then I am going to ride as fast as I can down the road. Maybe I'll see some goats along the way. And here I go. So with just the thumb throttle on pedal assist 3, I'm getting about, it was just 28, but now it's 27.5 miles per hour. Goat! With just pedaling, oh my goodness. I was getting to about 26 miles per hour. Boy, do my knees hurt. Oh my gosh. I don't have a problem pedaling these e-bikes, but geez Louise. I am getting a workout for sure. Now the torque sensor, it actually kicks in pretty quickly. Let's see. Brakes work great too. All right. So I'm just gonna pedal and see how long it takes for the motor to kick in. That's one rotation. Yep. Only took one rotation of my pedals to kickstart the motor. Run, little guy. Hello, goat. Oh man, okay. So overall impression, this is a fun bike. Oh my goodness. It's fast, it's easy to handle. It's got a few things that I definitely like about it. I do like the big tires. I like that it's got a little bell. I do like the torque sensor, so it does ride like a regular bike, which is awesome. So I am getting some exercise on this bike, and the bike isn't just doing all the work for me. Alrighty. That's a sharp looking bike. I like it.